Hello guys, in this video I'll show you a very important tool in SEO in SEMrush. If you do want to actually see a competitor's top pages which have the most traffic coming to them, this can be any website. So it's actually under competitive analysis, top pages. It's a very useful tool in SEMrush. I basically got a 7-day free trial, so that's why I decided to make this video. So you can simply write the website name. So let me just write stackoverflow.com. So this is a very popular website for developers, programmers for asking questions. So you put a website name and then click on search. So then it will exactly tell you the top pages which are getting the most traffic to this website. So if you see 4.3 organic billion visitors, these must of pages, and now it will show you the top pages which are getting the most traffic. So you will see the home page is the most traffic getting. Then we have this page, AI assist. You can go to this page as well. Simply click on this and you can basically see more information related to this page. If you click on this, so it exactly tells you about this page, how much traffic it is getting, the keywords that it is ranking for, the traffic cost, everything it shows you. These are the keywords that it is ranking. If it's informational, navigational, commercial, or transactional. So as you see right here, you can click on that and simply go to that page. So how do I undo the most recent local commits in Git? So it's a question based answer website. So according to SEMrush, this is also getting most traffic. This is a complete list, guys. As you see that it actually lists out all the top pages which are getting traffic. And this is page one. Similarly, you can go to the next page. This is a really useful tool, guys. If you do want to check out competitor website, which pages are getting the most traffic, then this will significantly boost your SEO and rankings. You can also create the content on these pages, on these keywords, as you see. Select. So how to remove files and directories quickly by terminal? This question as well. So you can see that. Again, you can click on individual keyword, individual page. It will show you more information related to that page, which keywords are ranking for this, the traffic cost, the amount of traffic which is coming to this page, as you see right here. So basically it is ranking number one for these keywords. So 291 keywords are ranking for this page. It's a lot of traffic, as you see. So similarly, guys, you can track any website. Simply put the URL of the website inside this top pages to get the top pages which have got the maximum traffic. Let me change the website to medium.com, which is again a very popular website. So now, as you can see, to analyze this, 20 million traffic is there. So medium, as you see, this page is getting the most traffic. then followed by the home page. Then we have another thing. So this is a very useful tool, guys. You also have the capability to export this to PDF, all these things. So these are the traffic 16,000, 16,000. So definitely check this tool out, guys. Top pages in SEMrush.